The American Society for Nutrition Foundation Awards program honors senior scientists, clinicians, and scholars for significant achievements in nutrition research and practice. We are grateful to our award sponsors for their generous and continued investment in our awards program. We also thank the hundreds of ASN members who donate to the foundation annually. Your financial support is essential to foster our generation of nutrition scientists. To begin, we are honored to present the recipients of the Senior Educator and Mentor Awards, recognizing commitment to mentorship, training, and education. These awardees feel gratified when they see their mentees flourish. The Dannon Institute Mentorship Award is given for outstanding mentorship in the development of successful nutrition science investigators. We are pleased to present this award to Dr. Penny Chris Etherton, Distinguished Professor of Nutrition in the Department of Nutritional Sciences at the Pennsylvania State University. Penny has worked tirelessly and selflessly over 39 years to transform the careers of many young scientists, guiding them in becoming professors, researchers, and industry leaders. She has mentored 33 doctoral students, 29 Masters of Science students, and 11 postdoctoral fellows. In addition, she has supervised 5 honor students. The ASN Foundation congratulates Dr. Penny Chris Etherton as she receives the Dannon Institute Mentorship Award. Outstanding contributions to the teaching of nutrition are recognized with the Excellence in Nutrition Education Award. The 2018 recipient is Dr. Michelle McGuire, Professor of Nutrition at Washington State University, who recently received the Thomas E. Lutz Teaching Excellence Award. She has taught there for over 2 decades and co-authored 2 textbooks used to educate thousands of students in introductory nutrition classes each year. Shelley is also committed to educating the public about how nutritional choices can impact health, serving as ASN National Spokesperson for over 10 years. Dr. Michelle McGuire's career clearly warrants the Excellence in Nutrition Education Award. Sponsored by the Dannon Institute, the Roland L. Weinsier Award for Excellence in Medical or Dental Nutrition Education honors an outstanding career domestically and across the globe. Dr. Corrine Lenders has clearly achieved this. Corrine is a pediatric gastroenterologist and physician nutrition specialist with experience in clinical nutrition, obesity medicine, and global health. She also teaches and conducts clinical research. Corrine leads a pediatric obesity and nutrition support program and is principal investigator of a multifaceted nutrition medicine program in Vietnam. She has published more than 50 articles, book chapters, and a book. We are pleased to present the Roland L. Weinsier Award for Excellence in Medical or Dental Nutrition Education to Dr. Corrine Lenders. The following Senior Investigator Awards recognize contributions from established professionals and honor specific advancements in science, as well as service to the nutrition science community. Mondelez International sponsors the Conrad A. Elfheim Award for Public Service in Nutrition. Dr. John Erdman Jr., Professor of Food Science and Human Nutrition at the University of Illinois, exemplifies this public service. John is a fellow of ASN, the Institute of Food Technologists, the International Carotenoid Society, and the American Heart Association, where he has chaired and served on numerous committees. He is currently chair of the Board of Trustees of ILSI North America. The ASN Foundation congratulates Dr. John Erdman Jr. on receiving the Conrad A. Elfheim Award for Public Service in Nutrition. Supported by Mondelez International, the David Kritchevsky Career Achievement Award in Nutrition is presented in recognition of a career devoted to promoting collaborations among nutrition researchers that result in the delivery of better nutrition products and information to the public. Our 2018 honoree is Dr. Jose Ordovas, Director of the Nutrition and Genomics Laboratory at the Jean Mayer USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging at Tufts University. A trailblazer in nutritional genomics, Jose has convened multidisciplinary researchers to study how genetic factors determine an individual's or a population's response to diet. His work provides powerful examples of how international networks provide the most effective route for bringing forth the promise of dietary advice and education for the betterment of global public health. Congratulations to Dr. Jose Ordovas. The E.V. McCollum Award is given to a clinical investigator who is a major creative force in nutrition research. Congratulations to Dr. Sarah Booth, Director of the Jean Mayer USDA Human Nutrition Research Center on Aging at Tufts University. Vitamin K has been the focus of Sarah's career. She discovered a previously undescribed form of vitamin K in the human diet created by the hydrogenation of dietary fats. Sarah also studied novel emerging roles for vitamin K in bone metabolism, coronary artery disease, and disorders of calcification in renal disease. More recently, she has directed studies examining the roles of vitamin K in energy metabolism and cognition. We salute Dr. Booth's innovative approaches as she receives the 2018 E.V. McCollum Award. The General Mills Bell Institute of Health and Nutrition Innovation Award recognizes an investigator whose scientific contributions advance the understanding of the health benefits of whole grains. We congratulate Dr. Mario Ferruzzi, Professor of Food Science and Nutrition at the Plants for Human Health Institute at North Carolina State University on this award. Mario's work focuses on identifying food science strategies that contribute to the development of improved food products to prevent chronic disease and enhance quality of life. His lab explores the interactions between plant phytochemicals and macronutrients and their impact on product quality and health-promoting properties in humans. Our congratulations to Dr. Mario Ferruzzi on receiving this year's General Mills Bell Institute of Health and Nutrition Innovation Award. Supported by the Council for Responsible Nutrition, the Mary Swartz Rose Senior Investigator Award highlights outstanding research on the safety and efficacy of bioactive compounds for human health. We are pleased to recognize Dr. Elizabeth Johnson, a Scientist 1 in the Antioxidants Research Laboratory of the Jean Mayer USDA Human Nutrition Center on Aging at Tufts University. Liz leads innovative nutrition research studies on phytochemicals, with a particular focus on age-related visual and cognitive function. She is sought for her expertise on carotenoids. Liz's work suggests that the bioactive lutein should be considered essential for human health. Congratulations to Dr. Elizabeth Johnson for her work earning the Mary Swartz Rose Senior Investigator Award. The McCormick Science Institute Research Award honors an investigator whose scientific contributions have advanced the understanding of the potential health benefits of culinary herbs and spices. We are pleased to honor retired scientist Dr. Richard Anderson, whose lifelong career at the USDA's Beltsville Human Nutrition Research Center was devoted to the role of trace metals and spices in health and disease. He cites his greatest achievements as the elucidation of the role chromium plays in human health and disease, and the demonstration that cinnamon plays a key role in glucose and insulin metabolism in people with type 2 diabetes. Congratulations to Dr. Richard Anderson, the recipient of this year's McCormick Science Institute Research Award. The Osborne and Mendel Award, supported by ILSI North America, is given for outstanding recent basic research accomplishments in nutrition. Dr. Vadim Gladyshev, Professor of Medicine and Director of the Center for Redox Medicine at the Department of Medicine, Brigham and Women's Hospital, Harvard Medical School, is the 2018 recipient. Vadim has a long record of contributions to our current understanding of the functions of selenium in biology, medicine, aging, and nutrition. He has published more than 350 articles and numerous studies on dietary selenium-based regulation of cancer and diabetes. The ASN Foundation applauds Dr. Vadim Gladyshev for his recent basic research that is so deserving of the Osborne and Mendel Award. The Pfizer Consumer Healthcare Nutritional Science Award honors investigative contributions of contemporary significance to the understanding of human nutrition. Dr. Wayne Campbell, Professor of Nutrition Science at Purdue University, is our 2018 honoree. Wayne's dedication to consumer health and healthcare is built upon his 25-year history of researching dietary protein requirements across the adult life course. Throughout his career, he has provided evidence from rigorously conducted studies that investigate important healthy dietary patterns and optimal nutrient intakes for multiple health outcomes. This evidence has improved the scientific foundation upon which dietitians and other healthcare providers develop dietary advice. His work extends beyond the research lab through his public service, serving as a member of the 2015 Dietary Guidelines Advisory Committee and a member of the 2018 Physical Activity Guidelines Advisory Committee. Congratulations to Dr. Wayne Campbell. The advancement of clinical nutrition is recognized in the Robert H. Herman Memorial Award, presented to Dr. Christos Mantzaros, Professor of Medicine at Harvard Medical School and Boston University School of Medicine. His translational work on leptin has contributed to its approval by the FDA and other similar agencies internationally. He is the first scientist to investigate the effects of lorcaserin in the human brain. In addition to his work in metabolism, Christos has advanced our understanding of the beneficial effects of the Mediterranean diet through clinical epidemiology studies. We congratulate Dr. Christos Mantzaros on receiving the Robert H. Herman Memorial Award. Recipients of the Senior Investigator Lectureships have the honor of delivering a lecture at Nutrition 2018. The E.V. McCollum International Lectureship in Nutrition provides a means to encourage sound advancements in nutritional science and their application in the health of people worldwide. Dr. Ari Stein, professor in the Hubert Department of Global Health of the Roland School of Public Health, Emory University, has made these strides in nutritional science. Ari studies the impact of nutritional deficits on critical periods of susceptibility. He is currently working with investigators from South Africa on the extension of the birth to 20 cohort to the next generation. His research clearly shows that what happens in early life matters in adulthood. We are pleased to present the E.V. McCollum International Lectureship in Nutrition, supported by the E.V. McCollum International Lectureship Endowment Fund, to Dr. Ari Stein. The Kellogg Prize for Lifetime Achievements in International Nutrition honors commitment to nutrition research benefiting populations in non-industrialized countries. Dr. Catherine Geisler, Professor Emerita of Human Nutrition, King's College London, is the deserving recipient. She has spent her lifetime working to improve the health of populations around the world, particularly in Africa, through nutrition science. Catherine is currently serving as Secretary General of the International Union of Nutrition Sciences. She has led the development of the E-Nutrition Academy to provide scientists and clinicians with access to the latest nutrition research and practice. The ASN Foundation enthusiastically presents the Kellogg Prize for Lifetime Achievements in International Nutrition to Dr. Catherine Geisler. The Robert Suskind and Leslie Lewinter-Suskind Pediatric Nutrition Lifetime Achievement Award recognizes a lifetime contribution to the field of pediatric nutrition. Dr. Robert Black, Professor and Director of the Institute for International Programs of the Johns Hopkins Bloomberg School of Public Health, is honored for his career as infectious diseases clinician and epidemiologist. Beginning in Bangladesh and extending to Peru, Kenya, and other countries, Bob has conducted research on the relationship between nutritional conditions and infectious diseases. He is committed to translating research evidence into policies and programs that enhance child health, development, and survival. The Robert Suskind and Leslie Lewinter-Suskind Pediatric Nutrition Lifetime Achievement Award, endowed by the Suskind family, is presented with gratitude to Dr. Robert Black. An equally important award supports the mission of the ASN. The American Society for Nutrition is committed to bringing together the world's top researchers, clinical nutritionists, and industry to advance our knowledge and application of nutrition for the sake of humans and animals. Our work could not be advanced without the commitment of volunteers, recognized in the ASN Volunteer of the Year Award. Dr. Suzanne P. Murphy, researcher emeritus at the University of Hawaii Cancer Center in Honolulu and fellow of the American Society for Nutrition, has demonstrated tireless dedication to our cause and is the 2018 ASN Volunteer of the Year. Suzanne has served on numerous boards dedicated to setting national and international food and nutrition policies. She led the charge for ASN to compete for the International Congress of Nutrition meeting of the International Union of Nutrition Scientists for 2025. While U.S. policies affecting visa procurement caused our bid to come in second, her work was definitely first class. We are honored to recognize Dr. Suzanne Murphy as the 2018 ASN Volunteer of the Year. Our last award, endowed by the Sunday family, the Milton L. Sunday Award, is given for publication in the Journal of Nutrition of outstanding experimental, applied, or fundamental research in nutrition that uses an avian species. We congratulate Drs. Chai and Ding of the National Taiwan University for their publication titled Identification of Potential Plasma Biomarkers for Non-Alcoholic Fatty Liver Disease by Integrating Transcriptomics and Proteomics in Laying Hens. These senior investigators have made significant discoveries with important impacts on public health. The American Society for Nutrition Foundation congratulates them on their achievements.